Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a drop shadow effect to your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So guys, so what you want to do is navigate to your diagram on Google Drawings. I will go with this example one, and you can apply drop shadow effect basically to any part of your diagram, be it a connector, a shape, a text box, and so on. And so I don't know if it works for text boxes as well, but at least it works for shapes and connectors. So let's assume, for instance, you got a shape or object like this, a circle. You can insert one. Let me insert, for example, a rectangle with rounded corners. And after that, navigate to the format options here. And next, expand drop shadow. Enable drop shadow by clicking into the check mark here to the right, checkbox over, and then customize the appearance of your drop shadow effect, starting with the color. I will go with, we can go with standard black, but you can go with any of these, apply a custom color, or use a hex color code, a color picker. I will leave it at standard black. Click into OK. And then apply the, or adjust the opacity, the angle, the distance, which is basically the width or the thickness, as you can see. So if I adjust the distance to, let's say, 12 units and the angle to, let's say, like something like this. And you can also adjust the blur radius here to make it a little bit blurry. Alternatively, you may use these up and down arrows here. And once that's done, let me switch to the select tool. It will look like this. So now the given shape has a drop shadow effect like that. And you can do this here on Google Drawings. You don't need any external external applications for that. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.